In this video, we're going to walk you through some of the most basic publishing jargons that you might have come across and found confusing, so you know exactly what they mean. Let's start with ISBN. This stands for International Standard Book Number. This is the 13-digit unique identifier that you find at the back of your book that identifies your book worldwide. Every book requires a unique ISBN. The ISBN contains important details like the author name, book title, publisher name, and so much more. Your book's trim size is basically the final dimensions of your book. It's extremely important because it determines how your book feels and also how much it costs to print. Choosing the right trim size for your book's genre helps your book look professional and match readers' expectations. Next comes book format. There are two main formatting options here: paperbacks, which are light, flexible, and cost-effective, and hardcovers, which are premium, more durable, and long-lasting. Online distribution has become a popular term because today most books are discovered and bought online. Platforms like Amazon and Flipkart have become the go-to places for people to discover and buy books. So listing your book online on all of these platforms is essential because it helps you reach readers worldwide. If you want your book to be made available in bookstores and libraries across the world, you might have heard of Ingram. Ingram is the largest book distributor globally, and it gives you access to over 30,000 bookstores across 150 plus countries. Print on demand basically means that books are printed only after someone places an order. Print on demand is a game changer, especially for self-published authors, because you don't need to print large batches of books and worry about storing them. So now that you're aware of all of these publishing terms, you're one step closer to publishing like a pro. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!